Imagine a world where your marketing team is replaced overnight by a revolutionary AI tool that promises to streamline processes, boost efficiency, and drive results like never before. This bold claim is now a reality with the emergence of cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology in the marketing industry. This AI tool is designed to revolutionize the way businesses approach marketing by harnessing the power of machine learning and data analytics to make informed decisions in real time. By automating tasks that were once time-consuming and labor-intensive, this tool frees up valuable resources and allows marketers to focus on strategic initiatives that drive growth. The significance of leveraging AI for efficiency gains in marketing cannot be overstated. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed, AI can uncover valuable insights, identify trends, and personalize marketing campaigns with precision. This not only saves time and resources but also ensures that marketing efforts are targeted and effective. As we delve into the world of innovative AI tools and their impact on the industry, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey of transformation and discovery. Get ready to witness the future of marketing unfold before your eyes, as we explore the endless possibilities that AI has to offer. Exploring the AI tool. Let's take a closer look at the features and capabilities of the AI tool that is set to revolutionize marketing strategies and redefine the way businesses engage with their audience. This advanced technology offers a wide range of functions specifically tailored to enhance various marketing tasks, from data analysis and customer segmentation to campaign optimization and performance tracking. One key function of the AI tool is its ability to analyze customer behavior patterns and preferences, allowing marketers to create highly targeted and personalized campaigns that resonate with their audience. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, the tool can automate the process of content creation, A/B testing, and audience segmentation, saving marketers valuable time and resources. Real-world examples showcase how this AI tool can streamline marketing processes, such as automating email campaigns, optimizing ad placements, and predicting customer lifetime value. These examples highlight the tool's potential to drive efficiency, improve ROI, and deliver more impactful marketing results. While the benefits of implementing such a tool are clear, there are also challenges to consider, such as data privacy concerns, integration complexities, and the need for ongoing training and support. However, with the right strategy and resources in place, businesses can overcome these challenges and unlock the full potential of AI in their marketing efforts. Case studies and success stories. Let's dive into some inspiring case studies and success stories of businesses that have embraced the AI tool and witnessed remarkable results in their marketing efforts. One standout example is Company X, a leading e-commerce retailer that implemented the AI tool to optimize their email marketing campaigns. By leveraging the tool's predictive analytics capabilities, Company X saw a 30% increase in email open rates and a 20% boost in click-through rates, leading to a significant uplift in sales and customer engagement. Another success story comes from Company Y, a global tech company that used the AI tool to enhance its social media advertising strategy. Through advanced audience segmentation and personalized ad targeting, Company Y achieved a 40% reduction in cost per acquisition and a 25% increase in return on ad spend, demonstrating the tool's ability to drive tangible improvements in marketing efficiency and ROI. To provide a deeper insight into these success stories, we interviewed marketing professionals who have first-hand experience with the AI tool. They shared how the tool has transformed their marketing approach, empowered them to make data-driven decisions, and ultimately helped them achieve their business goals more precisely and effectively. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel, like I am doing right now. And you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Now let's continue. Implementation and integration. When integrating an AI tool into your existing marketing strategies, proper implementation is key to unlocking its full potential and reaping the benefits it offers. Here, we provide insights on how businesses can effectively implement and integrate the AI tools seamlessly into their marketing operations. To begin, it's essential to follow a step-by-step approach to setting up the AI tool for optimal performance. This includes defining clear objectives, selecting the right data sources, training the AI algorithms, and establishing key performance indicators to measure success. By taking a structured approach to implementation, businesses can ensure a smooth transition and maximize the tool's impact on their marketing efforts. While integrating an AI tool may come with its challenges, such as data compatibility issues, resource constraints, and resistance to change, there are strategies to overcome these obstacles. By fostering a culture of innovation, providing adequate training and support, and collaborating cross-functionally within the organization, businesses can address integration challenges effectively and drive successful adoption of the AI tool. To maximize the potential of the AI tool, we recommend following best practices such as regularly monitoring performance metrics, refining algorithms based on feedback, and staying updated on the latest advancements in AI technology. By continuously optimizing the tool and aligning it with your marketing objectives, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and leverage AI to drive sustainable growth and success. Future of AI in marketing. As we look ahead to the future of marketing, the role of AI tools in reshaping the industry and transforming the way businesses engage with their audience is becoming increasingly prominent. In this section, we delve into the broader implications of AI in marketing and the evolving relationship between AI automation and human creativity. Exploring trends in AI technology reveals exciting possibilities that could further revolutionize marketing practices. From advanced predictive analytics and natural language processing to personalized customer experiences and real-time decision-making, AI is poised to drive innovation and efficiency in marketing strategies like never before. The debate surrounding the balance between AI automation and human creativity in marketing is a critical one. While AI tools excel at data analysis, optimization, and personalization, human marketers bring a unique perspective, emotional intelligence, and creative flair to the table. Finding the right equilibrium between AI-driven automation and human ingenuity is essential for creating impactful and authentic marketing campaigns that resonate with audiences on a deeper level. As we encourage viewers to reflect on the evolving landscape of marketing with AI, we invite them to embrace the possibilities that AI technology offers while also recognizing the irreplaceable value of human insight, intuition, and storytelling in shaping the future of marketing. By leveraging the strengths of both AI and human marketers, businesses can navigate the dynamic marketing landscape with agility, innovation, and empathy. We have explored the transformative power of AI tools in revolutionizing marketing strategies and driving efficiency gains for businesses. By leveraging AI technology, marketers can unlock a wealth of benefits, including enhanced data analysis, personalized customer experiences, and optimized campaign performance. The potential of AI tools to reshape the future of marketing is immense, with trends in AI technology paving the way for innovative practices and strategies that can elevate marketing efforts to new heights. As we navigate the evolving landscape of marketing with AI, finding the right balance between automation and human creativity is key to creating impactful and engaging campaigns that resonate with audiences. We encourage viewers to take action and embrace the opportunities that AI tools offer in transforming their marketing approach. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or a business owner looking to stay ahead of the curve, exploring the possibilities of AI technology can lead to significant growth and success in your marketing endeavors. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 80 to choose from.